Let's play. Balbirnie and Ireland.
Two sides that will have real hopes of advance.
What a ball. Hit the seam and went away.
To the right-hander, this time it goes.
Ireland's premier bat, lovely footwork, using the...
He had a wonderful outing in the one day.
Be cautious, but just got to be careful after a little break.
Total that he has in UAE. This is straight into the hands of the fielder. He's got Paulston.
Straight after a break, culminates in Sterling towing along on. He knew he was in that. Rashid's back though for 25. 60 little T and Camphor's in. Rashid Khan to the wickets. Gone! Rashid!
In forward, listen. In the T20 eyes, he's
dump. It's the googly at the back of the hand. Curtis, first ball duck. Ireland are in real strife. Oh, Neil Rock, have you ever felt pressure like it? It's to the Irish. Oh, googly beats the keeper. It's got to go for buys. He went for the googly. He's
Ireland, but look at this.
Fahimi behind the stumps. Well, this is Ireland at the World Cup. Gone! It's side and out as quick as
nothing at all. Turns just enough. Parts after making just one. Ireland are 72 for 5.
Gareth Delaney, who's had good success back end.
Ireland have lost another one. Great.
Well, we just said he's the question I have to ask you, Mike Hayes. Man, the magician, Rashid Khan, corrode. Delaney's gone for 16. Ireland 106.
Avino Huck loves bowling this situation, but that's a fun nicely.
Delaney in the side is a much better a flying finish here. Even get to 140.
It's got underneath that one, and he's crashed that for.
We're going to get 4. Look at the amount of gap he has to hit through here. Well,
that's a good shot. That's what he was looking to do. Straight 18 overs gone, 121 for 6.
He is doing that. He's doing that to the eye.
That's cracked away. That's gone for 4.
Adran, that's a cracking shot.
So 4 inside the circle now is what it has to be. That's sliding leg side.
Leg spinners, very different kinds of. Delaney sometimes too, but he'll just side.
That's nicely cracked and out. It went like a rocket.
Of Rashid Khan from injury. Here's an Irishman back from a wicket-taking record. Particular, maybe a little bit fortunate. He's picked out the man. In fact, it's the.
Now, will Nabi have?
You don't take that run if there's a deflection.
Hard to tell on that slow motion replay.
9. In the air, goal. That's why I was saying effective with a wicket straight away.
Spot on, Tino. Barry McCarthy, he makes things uncharacteristically slow. Gone for debutant. Ijaz Ahmadzai, talented all-rounder. I tell you what, he's got a bit of work to do. He has got some serious work to do because Ireland are swarming all over.
Quick single. And this is good running. We've seen it all the way through this Afghanistan innings. Even
bowlers maybe going back to Josh Little and say, listen, give me one burst of 6 balls here. Put down the ground here, Nabi. Delaney misfields, but that's a pretty tidy over. Googly picked, no timing down the ground. Okay, you give me, Tino, you give me the Ireland's perspective. What about Afghanistan?
keep wickets in hand. Take nothing away from the young man, but
very good, very good.
Just tell us the boundary early in the over. Why is that so important?
to the bat. Greasy outfield, so you can see him trying to dry the ball. It means the ball will slide onto the bat a little bit easier to...
Oh, misses out in the full toss. See, look at that. I tell you what, if you're an Afghanistan fan, you're licking your lips.
Responding early on from the challenge. That really good work from him. Ireland getting up.